Hey, it's Jake with Ideal Roof and Exterior Pros. I'm out here in Sterling, Colorado today at a customer's house. We're going to be helping them get their roof replaced through insurance. They had a pretty bad hailstorm out here about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I'm just going to walk through real quick and show you exactly what I am looking for when we do a roof inspection to determine if repairs are needed or if there's enough damage that would merit a full roof replacement and getting your insurance company involved. So let's climb up on the roof. I'll show you what I'm looking for. All right, so this is one of the more obvious hail damaged roofs. I mean, even if you've never been on a roof or looked for hail damage in your life, it's pretty clear that something fell from the sky and damaged these shingles. So what I do first when I get up on a roof is typically what I'm going to look at is the roof vents. So the soft metals here. Actually use chalk, and I'll run that across the vent, and it'll show me where there's dents on the vents, so you can actually see. It's hard to see until you run chalk over it, but you can actually see where hail damaged these vents. I always count up all the vents as well. Just anytime we do a roof replacement, we replace all the ventilation, flashings, all of it. So I'm going to count everything. Essentially write in chalk how many there are. So we got 3, 4, 5 of these here. So I'll just write next to it, and I'll take a picture of it so we have that for later. But as far as the roof inspection itself, what I do is I make a 10 by 10 test area, essentially mimicking what the insurance would do for their inspection if you were to call them out and file a claim. So just for the sake of time, I'm just going to make a rough guess 10 by 10 here. Something like that. So what I'll do is, what we're looking for is typically 10 or more damaged shingles. So not just 10 or more individual hail damage impacts. Looking for 10 damaged shingles. 10 or more typically. I'll just mark these up. This is chalk, so it'll go away after rain. But anyway, long story short, I'm just going to mark up each slope of the roof. There's clearly more than 10 damaged shingles in this test area, so then what I'll write here is R10 plus. So that's saying on this right slope of the roof, so if you're looking at the house, this is the right slope. 10 or more shingles that need to be replaced per test area. So typically what that's going to merit is this whole slope needing to be replaced. So that's what that means there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on all 4 sides of the roof. After we mark up the entire roof and do a full inspection, is we take a ton of photos of everything and put it in a full photo report. Regardless if you have damage to half your roof, a quarter of your roof, or the entire roof, we're going to put together that full report. Even if you have no damage, we're still going to do this full inspection, put together a full report so you know the exact condition of everything up on your roof. And then from there, we'll let you know what we recommend as far as not worrying about anything, getting some minor repairs done, or there's enough damage where we're going to recommend getting your insurance out here and getting a claim started if the roof is considered totaled. So outside of the roof inspection, we're also going to look at everything like the outside of the house. If it's stucco or siding, we'll look at the windows, fence, deck stain. We're also going to inspect the gutters. I don't know if there's anything we'll be able to see from right here. It's you can kind of see that dent right here. Let's do this. Right in there, you can tell something actually fell from the inside, hit the inside of the gutter, and it's protruding it out. You can actually see it really easy from the ground looking up. But more or less, that's what we're doing that's what we're doing on our full inspections. We put together a full report and let you know exactly what's going on. So if you've been affected by hail, if it was yesterday or even in the last year, or even if you haven't been affected by hail and you're just more curious what's going on with your roof, we always recommend getting an inspection every 18 months or so, because even if you don't have hail damage, it's good just to check on routine maintenance, like stuff like this. Where these exposed fasteners are, sometimes the silicone will dry out and go away. This is actually all in pretty good shape, but it's good just for us to climb up there, take a look, and make sure nothing is going to be a problem in the near future. So if you need help with any of that, feel free to give us a call or book online, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks.